Here comes the rest of the crew. Hi, you guys. What are you doing? You're so silly. Little tails. They're so cute. Grunt, grunt. First one in was a little girl.
There's some in the water. Wagging her tail.
So she's actually the one that's available.
I don't think they got too many fleas.
Oh, good.
I think they're just out of the water, maybe.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The ones that are in there. Yeah, I didn't think they were bad.
Very
She moved them a lot.
Yeah.
That's, I think that's one of her reasons.
It's amazing. So that's our available baby girl. That's awesome. Yeah, you getting roughed up.
He says, I don't like baths. Get me the heck out of here, dodge. Yeah, I'm not up to these baths. Look at. What are you doing, baby? I'm just so glad to be out of the water. And I feel good. I feel good.
So cute.
She's just acting silly. What are you doing? Hey? You like a bath?
That's a funny little baby. A little mark on her. Oh yeah, she's got the butterfly. This puppy. Yes. That's our little butterfly girl right there. She does have a name. I think one was Lacey and Wilma. Lacey and Wilma are the two girls. I can't remember right now. I know it's either Lacey or Wilma. So this is a little guy with 2 dots on his back, and I'm pretty sure this is Catherine's baby boy. I just know that he's reserved for sure. I'm pretty sure it's Catherine that chose this little fella. And if it wasn't, I apologize. Aww. Lacey or Wilma, whichever one she is, she's being silly.
They like it when they're done.
Being silly, little butterfly nose girl. Look at her. Yeah, so she's just like Teddy. She must have seen the Teddy video. This one is falling right asleep. Oh,
it's only like 25 degrees out today. Chilly.
Yeah, it's been so hot. Little 2-dot boy. Probably has a name, and I should remember it.
Hey.
Oh. So cute.
He says, I like it at
I love these, little baby boy.
I like it at the spa. Oh, he says, a little chilly. He said if the water was just a tad warmer. And that wind, he says, it's windy.
Aww.
Dirt dripping off. See at the end of the tail. That could be just from the
So
water.
cute.
Could be from the water.
Little tricolor baby. With some little freckles on him. Oh my goodness, just with the rinsing. I popped the puppies into the house after their bath. There's Dottie. She thinks maybe these little babies need a bit of milkies after their bath. So she's trying to encourage them to come out. She's got a lot of milk. What a sweetheart. Are you going to check out the babies? You're such a good auntie. Aunt Dottie. She's such a sweetheart. Where did your Aunt Dottie go, you guys? You thought it was the milk wagon and then it disappeared. Hey, all wet.